Hi everyone, let's get ready together and style with me today. A Salopette Lolita dress. I've never owned a Salopette before, so this will be my first time ever coordinating a Salopette, so you're coming along with me. This is the dress in question. As you can see, a Salopette. It looks like a pinafore, like a overall with a skirt basically. So you have to cord it a little differently than a classic JSK or jumper skirt. I'm thinking I don't want to do anything too crazy because I've never owned or styled a Salopette before this. So I'm going to just style it with like a simple Peter Pan collar blouse. Like this one is from Tiny Garden. You can get this type of Peter Pan collar blouse literally anywhere, but I think that's where I'm going to start. I so desperately need blouses that are like accommodating of larger busts. Please give me recommendations because like this is too tight. I hate this so much. Okay, there is a zipper on the side, so that is gonna make it a little bit easier to get it on. And there's so much more room under the arm, so I think this is gonna fit way better than like a jumper skirt, like a JSK. The zipper is stuck. There we go, it's on. Ignore my pajama pants. Okay, and now we're adding in an Aurora and Ariel petticoat. You can see this does have a little bit of like organza under it, but like it's just not, it's not enough floof, you know? Like for Lolita, you gotta have that silhouette of a bajillion floofs. Okay, there we go. We gotta get socks and accessories. Okay, next up I'm gonna do my hair, I think, instead of like socks and other accessories. Ignore what I just said. I did little buns and I'm gonna put some scrunchies on top. I have these pink gingham ones that I think would look really cute with it. I'm gonna see if I can find the matching one. Victory! Here are the hair clips I'm gonna try to put in my hair. I think they'll look really cute. Okay, so on this side I have the strawberry and the bunny. On the other side I just have the two gingham ones. Okay, I really need to organize this, so no judgment, but let's go through and try to find some accessories to wear with this cord. Okay, I added a little bunny on, and then I'm gonna pair it with some wrist cuffs, and I just had a necklace that I lost in my skirt. This necklace. I think I'm just gonna put in these little bunny earrings because I don't really have anything that like matches apart from these. My mom called me on the phone, so while we were talking, I went ahead and picked out these pink bunny socks along with these tea parties, which I think are honey cherry, if I remember right. Don't quote me. Okay, so I put on the shoes with the socks. I do think this would look so much better with tights or OTKs under the bunny socks, but I can't be bothered. My sensory issues are way too bad right now. But this is how the finished cord came out, and I hope you guys like it. If you have any areas for improvement on how to style a Salopette, I am so sorry. Please let me know if you have any areas of improvement. But yeah, thanks for cording with me today.